Fork trucks are a universal icon of the industrial workspace. They are used to move all kinds of equipment and inventory. Sometimes their standard hardware just can't quite get the job done. That's where Vestil's fork truck attachments come in. Vestil's most popular fork truck attachment is the hopper. The H-style hopper is low profile and ideal for convenient loading. Dumping with the H-style is quick and simple with a cable that can be pulled from the seat of a fork truck. This hopper can return to its normal locked position once it is lowered to the ground. The D-style hopper is self-dumping with a bumper release on the front of its fork pockets. This hopper automatically dumps when the bumper contacts the front of a dumpster, and it will automatically spring back into its original locked position once it is finished dumping. The D-style hopper can also be dumped with a cable if necessary. In addition to these two styles, many other specialty styles are available. All hoppers are made of carbon steel and finished with a tough baked-in powder coat. Hooks, lifts, towing accessories, and booms are available here at Vestil too. These allow for heavy or awkward-shaped objects to be carried with ease. Fork extensions and rams are great for dealing with material that is particularly long or wide. Fork extensions can come in round or triangular shapes for moving large rolls of material, and they easily slide onto the existing forks on your fork truck. Rams are also useful for moving rolls of material, but they pick up the rolls from the inner cores. Keeping your work area clean and safe is top priority for any business. That is why Vestil makes a variety of cleaning and safety products. Scrapers, sweepers, and more make cleanup at the end of the day a breeze. Safety products such as the carriage bumper, LED pedestrian light, and the fork leveler keep workers safe on the job. Work platforms are great for safely getting you to hard-to-reach spots in or around a facility using a fork truck. They have fork pockets and a safety lock that allow them to secure onto a fork truck. They all come with diamond plating on the floor for added traction, and they are finished with a blue and yellow powder-coated toughness. Please visit our website at vestil.com to download our catalog to view other fork truck accessories that we carry. Expand the functionality of your fork truck fleet with Vestil-made products. We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.